Namaskaram. எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
I'm fine.
Tell me about yourself.
My name is Mrs. B. Sita Lakshmi. I am a retired maths teacher. I was working as a maths teacher for 27 years. I had that knee problem for 15 years. And I met my sister-in-law who underwent that total knee replacement operation. And she advised me to meet the doctor and continue the treatment. Undergo the treatment.
Knee replacement.
Knee replacement treatment. And I had undergone that surgery in 2017. April. Both the knees in 1 week. Now after that...
At which hospital? This hospital?
This Chennai Meenakshi multi-speciality hospital. And after taking that physiotherapy for 3 months, and I went for walking, and every day I took doctor's advice properly, and now I am able to do everything myself. But after 4.5 years, just I want to test whether everything is okay or not. But after taking X-rays, I found that nothing wrong with my X-ray report. Only maybe because of calcium or vitamin D deficiency.
So you are getting cramps, huh?
Yes. So that may also be one of the reasons the doctor told. So
because nowadays it is December, and for the past 1 month nobody has gone out. It's raining.
Okay.
So your vitamin D will be likely to be low.
That's why he suggested that test for vitamin D and calcium and some bone
calcium and bone enzyme. Yeah.
Bone enzyme and vitamin D deficiency. He wanted to test. He prescribed test. That's all. I am able to walk. I will walk and show how I am able to walk.
On the basis of the X-ray, I have explained you the X-ray.
Yes.
Everything is all right. There is no loosening of the prosthesis, implants.
No other problem. I am all right. I am doing everything myself. I am independent. Just I wanted to test whether everything is okay. So only I came for suggestion and advice from the doctor.
Okay, good. So we'll now take a picture of you while you are walking upstairs. There's a ramp outside.
Okay.
So you don't have to worry. You don't have to climb stairs.
And one more thing, last month I went to Padani. Marudamalai and Rameswaram last month. And I was able to walk. I myself was very much surprised. God gave me enough strength to complete that darshan, everything. And even last year I went to Tirupati and I was able to walk all around. So by God's grace, so far everything is okay.
Good.
I hope so. It will continue for the rest of the years also.
எப்படி இருக்கு இப்ப நடக்கிறதுக்கு? You are able to walk.